Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can delete any server template in Discord. So in this case, you have to log into your Discord first. After logging to Discord, you can see here all of the servers. Just choose one server you want to make delete the template, like this one or this one. I'm choosing this server. Then after that, you can see on very top the server name. Just click here on this drop down menu and you'll find server settings. Go to server settings and you can see here server template. Just click on server template, then scroll down and you'll find here delete template. If you want to delete this template, just click on delete. It will ask for the final pop-up confirmation. If you click on this red button delete, your server will be deleted. So guys, this is how you can delete a server template in Discord. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.